Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Recently Google rolled out Android 13 Developer Preview 2 for Pixel smartphones. And Jay have already come up with a port of Pixel 6 Pro for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro smartphones. So in this video, let's take a look at Android 13 Developer Preview 2 running on OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see this is my OnePlus 8 which is currently running on Android 13 Developer Preview 2. As you can see, it says Pixel 6 Pro, so it's a port from Pixel 6 Pro. Android version is Android 13 which comes with 5th March 2022 security patch, and Google Play system update is 1st April 2022. And if you guys wish to install Android 13 on your smartphone which is OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro, then I've already made a video on that. I'll leave that video guide in the description below, or you can see that video on the screen. Just follow that video guide and you'll be easily able to install Pixel 6 Pro Android 13 port on your OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro. And also guys, before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 400 likes on this video. We still have 82% of users who do watch our videos but haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you find our videos helpful, then do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So basic functionalities works pretty much good enough, like calling, VoLTE services, Wi-Fi calling, and don't expect fingerprint unlock and alert slider to work on these types of ports. So to lock your device, you have only options to choose between PIN, pattern or password. And talking about the benchmark results on Android 13 Developer Preview 2 which is running on our OnePlus 8, here with the Geekbench application, single core have scored 890 and multi-core have scored 2986. And we also ran CPU throttling app. Due to some reason, Antutu benchmark app did not run, though CPU throttling was good enough. As you can see, maximum CPU throttled up to 80%. There are many changes done on Android 13, but we won't be covering everything. To know all the features of Android 13, you guys can check out videos on YouTube. There are many good content creators who made videos on Android 13 features. As said, your alert slider won't work along with your fingerprint unlock. And now talking about some of the changes. So first change what you guys gonna notice is on the lock screen. So if you have multiple notifications on the lock screen, you'll see a pill type shape for your older notifications. The recent notifications will appear on the top, but here you can see on the previous builds we used to see this huge pill for the older notification, but now Google have made it more compact and this looks really nice. Also another change what you guys gonna notice on the lock screen is related to media control. So again this also have been completely redesigned, where you get all the options, play, pause, next song, and depending on the song thumbnail these pills do change their colors. And this thing also appears in the quick setting tile, or you can say notification panel, again with a similar look. Tapping here will give you a new pop-up where you can connect with different Bluetooth devices. And instead of adapting to the wallpaper based theme color, pills on this pop-up adapts to the thumbnail color. And now let me show you an example. So if I choose next song, you can see the thumbnail of the song is in bluish color, and the same color has been adapted by the buttons present on this media player. And also soon you completely swipe down the notification panel. Towards the bottom side you can see now we have settings button and the power button towards the right bottom side, and also it will show you the active applications. So currently you can see we have an application running which is YouTube Music, and if you have more applications running in the background, this will show you how many apps are running in the background. You just need to tap on it and it will show you all the active applications which are running in the background. One by one you can stop those applications. Another change what you guys gonna see in the quick setting tile, now DND mode have been replaced with the priority mode. So initially we used to see DND in the quick setting tiles, but now it has been renamed as priority mode. Also they have added another tab called security and privacy. So that's not present on this port, but under the hood of security and privacy you'll find these three tabs soon you tap on that quick setting tile, which is this mic access, camera access and location access. Now talking about app drawers, so here also they have done a major change. Now you have a support of universal search in the app drawer search bar. So for example, if I search calculator, you can see everything is being searched including the system settings. It is not only limited to the applications now. So another great add-on on Android 13. And guys, soon you install this build, by default Google Camera will be downloaded from Play Store, but that camera app won't work. So I'll provide you guys an APK file of Google Camera. You guys can try out that application and install it on this particular port. Under Wi-Fi we don't have any kind of issues with both the bands. Both the bands 2.4 and 5 GHz works absolutely fine. And here you can also see we have all other options like VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling. A minor change have also been done under battery section. So under battery saver mode, if you go to extreme battery saver and tap on essential apps, so here now by default few of the system applications which are required to be run in the background can't be disabled. And for the other applications which you have downloaded, or you can say third-party applications, you still have the options to select those applications so that you don't have any issues related to the notifications and other stuff. Remember, that will consume more battery on your device if all the applications are running in the background. And we also have an option when to use the extreme battery saver mode. After that, with Android 13, they have made few changes in the UI of screensaver. And few of the things are not fully functional as it's a developer preview. And we also get the Android 12 features, like for example, if you long press on the home screen, this entire tab pops up, which gives you access to the recent used 5 wallpapers. So instead of going inside the settings, you can directly switch between the wallpapers from this particular tab. So guys, these were some of the changes what they have done. As said, if you guys want to see all the changes of Android 13 Developer Preview 2, there are many videos present on YouTube. And I won't be recommending you guys to use this code on your primary phone because it's a developer preview, so you might face some or the other issues here and there. But still, it completely depends on you guys. If you want to try out something new on your device, then you can just follow the video guide given in the description below. So guys, this was a quick look on Android 13 running on a OnePlus 8. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.